Hello everyone, how are you? And welcome to my page. Hope you are all fine and doing well. First of all, I have to apologize and say sorry for you because of the long time I am doing my second video. But I try to still connect with you. I hope you have seen every day, every week my posts. I trying to write something motivational and still connect with you. But finally, I am doing today my video, and today my topic is determination is a key to make impossible possible. I have a strong belief, despite all odds and negativities around you, you have the power and energy to defeat them. Yes, you have to be strong and faith in your skills and abilities to cope with them with your positive attitude and mental strength. Body has no existence of own. Everything is controlled by the mind. Yeah, it doesn't matter how you look, how you are. If you are mentally strong, you will be able to do whatever you want. If you are so handsome and tall guy or girl and looking so good, but your mind is not working, where should you stand? I think you are mad. Oh no, I'm just kidding. Life is a predetermined and decide something for you, such as where and which circumstances you are born. Under circumstances you are grow up. However, rest of the life you have to plan and decide something for yourself, what you wanna do and where you wanna reach. Today I want to share with you something about me and then I will continue my topics. I will back very soon. Do totally separate video about me. Came live with you. You can ask me whatever you want. We will talk about this. I was born in life that despite some odds which had life chosen for me, how I transform my life with positive attitude and mental strength. I was born as a disabled child, one of the rural area of Pakistan, a country with lack of health facilities, lack of education, and lack of awareness of my parents. I could not get appropriate for treatment after my birth, so I living life as a disabled child, and was my fate. That was I had not chosen for me, blaming and crying and over this. And let me know if something will happen with you, and if this not in your control, this is that not your fault. So what should you do? If you are still blaming and crying, if nothing will happen, just destroying your life, just stressing your life. So you have to forget what's going on. If you are not getting your job, if you getting good marks in exam, if you have any serious disease, whatever going on in your life, you have to forget and try to live better life and do something better than this. And there is a quote: if you stop the engine, you will lose the engine. So you have to drive in your car. You will reach one day you will reach your destination. It doesn't matter how much harder and how much struggling you are, because of today you are struggling building your future tomorrow. So same I did it. I concentrated acquiring knowledge and abilities to become independent and providing helping hand of my parents. I started learning computer even without attending any formal school or education. Yeah, it's true. I think it's a little harder to believe, but I did it because there is no much facility for us, especially person like me. In my country, if you are getting someone help, it so means you are so lucky. Otherwise, is that not possible? So I have started learning computer without attending any formal school or education to become an IT expert. With my hard work, positive energy and intellect. Even I am physically weak, but I have achieved all I wished for myself. And today I am working in an IT field with special expertise in the area of search engine optimization is called SEO, and writing, translation, designing, and many more. So I have seen and experienced that everything is possible, everything is achievable in this world. Just you have to be strong and faith in your skills and abilities. You have to be positive. If you are doing positive things every will happen automatically. So I need to share with you this short story about me. I want to tell you that I have seen, experience. You can do whatever you want. Just we need to change our thoughts, our way of looking at things. I have a strong belief. This, if you purpose is bigger than you, if you want to do something bigger than what you are, and let me know what is the difference between you and me or any other successful person in this world. I think there is no difference. Only difference is our way of looking at things, our desire, our thinking. You have to use your desire to achieve something bigger, to achieve something as a power. And once you find your goals and targets, there is no give up, there is no turning back. And if you keep trying and trying, one day you will be successful. Because you know what means of failure? It not mean FAIL, not means fail. It means the first step of success. It means you are start doing to achieve something bigger. And if you plan inside your mind, I have to face every challenge in my life. I have to cross every fears. Then no one can stop you to achieving your goals and targets. And the more you will do it, the more you will get energy to make and possible possible. And last, I must say, if you don't stand up for yourself, no one will do nothing for you. So you have to stand up for yourself and make impossible possible. And thanks to everyone watching me and listening me. Especially thanks to Sir Ahmed Jamal. He is such a great person, my teacher. Always connect with me. And last, I just want to say there is a big difference between live your life and spend your life. I have chosen for me to live my life, not spend my life. What's your chosen? I really want to know. Write in your blog comments and give me your response. Thanks for watching me. Love you to all of you. Stay blessed. I will be back soon.